Hey, what is up guys? Matt here for the Toasty Bros, and I'm here with week 3 of my BitConnect / Bitcoin Journey series. And if you're new to this series, I basically go over my investments into the BitConnect platform, and then talk about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as a whole and how they're doing, and kind of give my noob's perspective of what I think about cryptocurrencies. So, let's get right into it. So first off, we have to start with Coinbase here because Bitcoin is now worth $9,394. Yes, we are nearing 10K per Bitcoin, which is ridiculous. When I jumped into this, Bitcoin was around 6,000, which yes, is pretty relatively recent compared to other pricing that it's been at. But $9,394, and that's going across multiple currencies. Ethereum is up to $457. It peaked at around $472. It's down a little bit, but it's hovering around the same resistance area. And under Litecoin is also up really big right now. I bought one Litecoin at $60 per Litecoin. You can tell right here, $64 per Litecoin. I picked one up, and now it is at $85, which I'm considering selling once it hits 90 or 100. I'm thinking it might actually hit 100 from what I've been hearing from other experts out there in the field, that people are saying it could hit $100, and at that point I'll probably do a sell and then eventually buy some Bitcoin with the Litecoin. That's my main strategy behind using altcoins like this, is buy them, have them rise, sell, and then invest in this giant right here, because Bitcoin's at $9,400 just as we're talking. It's on the rise, guys, and it may crash, it may go back down. I expect it to hit a ceiling at some point and then come back down. But right now, $9,400, if you're holding a lot of Bitcoin or you're in BitConnect like I am, you're going to be expecting some really awesome gains. So as far as BitConnect goes, as you can tell from my lending wallet, within the past 3 weeks, I have made $45, which is great. Like, that is awesome returns within 3 weeks for a $200 investment. And even then, I only had $100 in for the first week, and then I had another $100 in for 1 week after that. So far, $45 is very profitable. Now, yes, some of the money is actually from my referral program. So if we go into referrals, I actually had one of you sign up. We actually have 9 people who signed up, but with 9 of you signing up, I had one person invest money and I got a percentage cut of that investment. So special thanks to you all for signing up using my referral code. It helps me out and it allows me to reinvest my profit, and we can start building a cool little investment team as well, and we can talk about our buys and sells and exactly how we're doing in the comment section down below, kind of make a little bit of a community here. But if you can tell, at $45 things are going really good. If we go to the exchange real quick, we can see that right now, just things are going pretty solid. Like, I can't complain too much. I didn't mean to go to exchange. I meant to go to my dashboard, and we're going to check the volatility software rates right now and see exactly where we're at. As you can tell, we've actually been on a little bit of a downward spiral as of recently. We hit all the way down to 0.42%, which was unprecedented because over the past couple of days we were well over 1% and even into 2% at some point, and the average interest rate over the past 30 days has been about 1.01%, so it's definitely down from the 1.5% that it was at. But right now we're going to jump back up to 1.05, and I expect this to keep going up with the rise of the Bitcoin price, with how this bot works, where it buys, sells, and trades. And I could see a big return for people who hop on this week and get in real quick and invest their money. As far as right now, you could get some really awesome interest rates starting now. So I highly recommend, if you're even considering BitConnect, to get in this week, because you could make some really awesome returns. Now this week is probably going to be a little bit shorter because I don't plan on investing anymore, but I'm going to talk about my strategy and exactly what I plan on doing. What I'm waiting for is for my lending wallet to hit at least $100, because $100 is the minimum investment that you can make into BitConnect. And what I'm going to do is wait for this to hit $100 and then reinvest all of this to where my actual investments into the platform total $300. And then I'm kind of just going to wait and see how it goes. Make these update videos, and if I get any spare cash, just buy some Bitcoin and hold it for the sake of the value going up. Probably should have done that back at 6,000, but again, you know, you think of these ideas, but you don't actually put them in motion. And also, I'll probably consider whenever Litecoin goes up to $100, which a lot of people expect it to do, and I can possibly see it happening. Once it hits $100, I can see myself selling my Litecoin and then buying some more Bitcoin with it, and then eventually just upping my total and maybe buying some more Litecoin once it hits 100 and do just like I'm gonna buy and hold or wait till Litecoin drops. But my main central idea and concept would have to be I'm going to wait till Litecoin hits $100. Once it does so, I'm going to sell, which I need to set up a Bittrex account, which I'll do in the next video next week, where I'll explain about setting up a buying and trading account, which is basically like a stock exchange for Bitcoin, Bittrex. So I'm gonna go ahead and set that up. But when I do that, it will allow me to auto sell once it hits $100, so I can just get that profit right then and there, and then eventually transfer it over and maybe buy some Bitcoin at that price, which then I can transfer over to BitConnect and get the minimum lending amount into BitConnect to allow me to add another $100 of active total investments, which will bring me up to $310, maybe a little bit more, depending how the Bitcoin price is and what kind of earnings I got from my lending wallet next week. So that's all I really got to say about this video. Bitcoin is on the up and up. It's looking really, really good right now, and BitConnect is a great investment, but if you are any bit hesitant, do not invest in the platform. There's a lot of people out there who talk about the Ponzi scheme and how it's set up and everything, and yes, there probably are some legitimate reasons behind it to where it could be something you should be hesitant about. But if you believe in what you've seen on the internet and you believe in some of the stuff that people have been saying about this, then I would just be hesitant and not invest. But for me, I think investing a decent amount of money, like $100 or $200, I weigh the risk and reward compared to how much that $100 means to me, and I see it being something that I can willingly lose the $100 or $200 in the hopes that I could possibly double my money in the long run. So I'm willing to throw that money out there and just hope for the best and just see where it goes. And as of right now, we're on the up and up, and if you want to join me on this adventure and possibly lose money with me in the process, which probably won't happen, but anyways, be sure to click my link down below. It helps me out and also gets you on board, and also share the link around with other people, and we can build like a little referral tree, you know? That'd be kind of fun, right? But thanks again, guys, for watching this video. If you haven't already, leave a like down below and comment what you think. If you haven't already, subscribe for more content from the Toasty Bros. Follow us on Twitter for more behind the scenes updates, and I hope to see you on the next video, guys. Peace out.